We are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can insert SIM in Oppo. So in order to install the SIM card into the Oppo smartphone, every Oppo phone is different, but the pattern is pretty general. So you will need to take the phone out of its phone case if you have any to begin with. Then find the SIM card tray that looks exactly like so. It stands out from the main frame of the phone and has a little hole near it. It can be here, it can be there, it can be there, or even at the bottom, as I've mentioned, depending on the particular Oppo device that you have. Then take an injection tool that should come in the packaging or in the box that the device came inside. If you do not have it, you can also use a needle or uncurled paperclip will do just fine. So pretty much any object that is small enough to be and long enough to be fitted into the small hole near the SIM card tray itself will do just fine. So insert it into the said hole, and then just push it inwards. And as you can see, the SIM card tray will come right off. Then take it out of the phone frame. Here is the SIM card tray. Then take SIM card or SIM cards that you would like to insert or install. Align those angled edge at the SIM card tray with the same angled edge at your, SIM card. Then if you want to, if your device has expandable storage or dual SIM card, you can respectively put the second SIM card or an SD card into the slot that it has. The procedure is the same, just make sure that they are aligned with the cutoff edge or angled edge that we have, and then just put the SIM card tray back into the smartphone like that. And if your SIM card have the SIM pin installed, input the SIM pin, and as you can see, the SIM cards were successfully inserted and acknowledged or identified by the system. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.